Finally, let's look at the difference between some and any. Both of these quantifiers can be used with countable and uncountable nouns. So how do we know which one to use when? Some is used for affirmative statements, offers, requests, and in questions when you expect the answer yes. Any is used in negative statements, as well as questions. Let's look at some examples. Have you got any bananas? No, we haven't got any. Because the answer to the question is negative, no, we use any. Though we have not got any bananas, we've got some oranges. Some is used because we do have oranges. Yes, we do have oranges. For the next part, I'd like you to practice using Turtle Diary. When you click the link, read through the instructions and then complete the fill-in-the-blank activity online.